In this video you'll learn how to set up your Simulia Abaqus model for parallelized computations on a multi-node cluster. First, right-click on the job node and choose Create. Then choose the model that you want to compute. In our case, it is called E2. Then click Continue. Go to the tab General. We need to choose a Scratch directory. Click the folder icon and find the directory called Scratch in your home folder. Select this by single-clicking on it and then press OK. Go to the tab Parallelisation and choose to use multiple processors. We have 2 nodes and 8 cores on each node in this example, so we have 16 cores available. Therefore, we set the number of processors to 16. The number of domains will adjust automatically. Set the multiprocessing mode to MPI. You can now click OK. This creates a job node, and to submit the job for computation, click the plus sign to reveal the job. Then, right-click on job 1 and click Submit. After the job has been submitted, you can monitor it by right-clicking on job 1 and choose Monitor. The job will now assemble and spread to the different nodes, and after that it will start. Once the job has started, you can see the log output and the computation step. This way, you can monitor the progress. If you want to cancel the job, you can click the Kill button.